Let me introduce my wife, Irene Zisa.
God is good. And all the time. I'm sorry, my daughter will speak on my... The first time I met Dad was in 1996. As I walked up to him with Jimmy, he had a big smile on his face, and as I shook his hand, he said, "Welcome to the family." I was welcomed into a family a couple months later, not knowing what to expect, apprehensive and scared as I was marrying into a political family. Dad was good and caring, and his ability to hold influence over his family was remarkable. He was not just a man of words and actions, but a father who led us with his thoughts and deeds. In my early years of marriage, when Dad noticed I loved to read, he would send me every month a copy of the Reader's Digest magazine, which I loved. Dad always showed up whenever I needed him, and he did so with undivided commitment. In 2017, when my Jimmy and I were under siege for 3 days, he and the rest of the family moved in with me. I drew my strength and courage from him. He told me there comes in your life. Determination and perseverance will get you there. Life has to go on, and the only life you're living now. Maito, you have to be strong for your family. Beth was born then, which turned last Christmas. Maito, for Jimmy, I would pick you. That was the greatest compliment I could have ever received. Dad, you made a splash in the pool of life. What's going on? As wise as an owl is, no matter how dark it gets, for them they keep flying. Now, as you fly off to heaven, we shall miss you. You were a pillar of our strength in our lives. We soldier on, as he used to say. Rest in peace, dear Father.
Thank you very much.